Hello everyone, and welcome back to CompTech Geek. In today's video, we'll be exploring a common networking task changing from a dynamic to a static IP address on Windows 10. Whether you're looking for more control over your network configuration or troubleshooting connectivity issues, this process can come in handy. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's briefly understand the difference between dynamic and static IP addresses. Dynamic IP addresses are assigned by your router automatically, while static IP addresses are manually configured. Let's jump into the steps to change from a dynamic to a static IP address on Windows 10. The first step is to open the network settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu, selecting Settings, and then clicking on Network and Internet. In the Network and Internet settings, click on Change Adapter Options. This will take you to a window where you can see all your network connections. Locate the network connection you're using, right-click on it, and select Properties. This will open a new window with the properties of your network connection. Scroll down to find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, in the list. Select it, and then click on the Properties button. In the IPv4 Properties window, choose the option to use the following IP address. Here, you can enter the specific IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server information provided by your network administrator or your preference. After entering the desired static IP configuration, click OK to save the changes. You may need to close the Network Properties window to apply the settings. And there you have it. You've successfully changed from a dynamic to a static IP address on Windows 10. Remember, configuring a static IP address is a common practice for network management and troubleshooting. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy networking!